Cooler evening than you would expect for the early part of June, but it did stay dry for the concert, and across most of the area that was the case. There were a few scattered showers, a couple light sprinkles, mainly near and south of I-70 that have since dissipated, and we'll head through the rest of tonight with calm, quiet conditions. Right now it is 59 degrees. The sky is partly to mostly cloudy. Humidity 81%. Easterly wind right now at 7 miles an hour. The dew point temperature at 53. In other neighborhoods right now, Cranberry's at 56, 57 in Churchill, Bethel Park, Bell Vernon's 58, 57 in Washington, and 55 as you get a little further north in Elwood City. Butler down to 52, 57 in West Mifflin, Latrobe, and 55 in Indiana. Needless to say, air conditioning not necessary tonight. And tomorrow, it's going to get a tad warmer, but not a huge warm up. That'll come over the weekend. You can see by first thing tomorrow morning, low to mid 50s across the area, and then we'll climb our way into the range of 70 and 72 degrees for the highs in the afternoon. So a comfortable day with regard to temperature, but we'll see a more significant surge in those numbers as we head into the weekend. Future outlook showing just patchy clouds throughout the area right now. Moisture has dissipated across the area. And first thing tomorrow morning, our clock moves ahead to 7 a.m. We'll call partly sunny. I think it's going to be some filtered sunshine through parts of the area, and there will be a little bit more in the way of sunshine across the area tomorrow, but there will be the possibility once again of some spotty showers. The window of opportunity is pretty much the same between about 2 and 3 and about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, when anyone could be fair game to see a quick passing shower, not producing a lot of rain. If you get a shower, it's going to be 1/10 of an inch of rain or less, and you can see by 8 o'clock things winding down. The good news here is that this is about the time we expect to see drier conditions across the entire area. If you're coming down to watch the Pens game at PPG Paints Arena, it should be dry, mostly cloudy, 66 degrees. Looks to be the temperature right around 8 or shortly thereafter tomorrow evening. Here's the satellite and radar. A lot of clouds across the area today. Partly a function of a trough axis of low pressure close by, also interacting with some daytime heating. Once the sun went down, a lot of the clouds dissipated. The moisture went along with it as well. That axis of instability is still going to be in the region tomorrow, so I think there's still going to be some clouds, although a little bit more in the way of sunshine. And again, that opportunity for a couple showers as everything starts to pivot and eventually is going to be moving away. But one more shot at a few showers tomorrow, then we'll kick that energy out of the picture, and high pressure is going to be moving in for the weekend. With it, a lot more in the way of sunshine, drier skies, and warmer temperatures. You can see after our 30% shot for a spotty shower tomorrow, our percentage chances go down to 0 over the weekend. Forecast tonight, 52. Patchy clouds tomorrow, the high 70, maybe 72 in parts of the area. Clouds, some breaks of sunshine, a spotty shower chance in the afternoon. On Friday, the high temperature 75 with clouds and sunshine. Saturday, 81 degrees as it turns warmer over the weekend. Looks like a great pool weekend. 86 on Sunday, and it stays warm, more humid early next week. By Monday and Tuesday, numbers climb into the upper 80s. Ken.